Welcome back to the Craftic channel. I'm Jen. Just a little background. So Craftic is all about crafting with your stash and finding really cool tutorials. So make sure to check out craftic.com. So right now I'm talking to you from a different angle from my office. So you can actually see my desk and my cute things and my plants. I feel like this is a better view of what represents me. Anyway, so let me know if you like this view or the other one better. So in this video, I want to chat about the February catch-up. So it's February 28th. I'm actually filming this on the last day of February. So yay me, I'm actually on schedule this time. And I thought I would share with you what I used up in my 100-day challenge. So if you don't know, I'm doing 100 days of crafty no spend. So I am not buying, acquiring, either free or gifted or anything, any craft supplies for the entire 100 days. So that was from January 1st and it's going through April 10th. And if you want to join me, you can. I have this cute little 100-day tracker here. That one is free if you're a newsletter subscriber. You can also join the Discord, and there's a link in the Discord to get that printable. All the links are in the description down below, of course. So anyway, so let's get started. So I thought I would walk you through my little box of empties. And I mean, it's not super interesting, right? Sure, I used up some sticker sheets, and the funny thing is that I actually included some stamps that I used up last month. And these are actually 2 yarn labels. So I used up 2 skeins and a bunch of little vinyl stickers. And this sticker, it's not a sticker, this is actually a stamp booklet, but there were a bunch of these little labels at the end. So they're like little circle stickers that you put at the back of the envelope, and I kept holding on to them. And I had exactly 5 left. And I had 5 Valentines to send out for the Valentine's Day card swap. So that was perfect timing. And I love it when things happen like that, where you have exactly of something and you get to use up a whole sheet. So yeah, that was basically February. I did not use up any notebooks. I did not use up any pens or anything. I did get really, really close. So with my notebook, so it's right here. This is where I do my morning pages, and there's still a few pages left. I have this many left. So yeah, February did not go great. Just there were a lot of things going on in the house. My partner and my son and I, we all got sick at the beginning of February. There were snowstorms in Toronto, and then more snowstorms, and it's actually snowing right now. I'm not sure you can actually see that right now. And on top of that, we had another round of sickness at the end of the month. So we're all getting past it now. So it's been not the most productive in terms of crafty things as well. I mean, I did knit a lot because when we were hanging out on the couch and just hanging out in the living room, I would take out my yarn, my knitting project. So that's why I used up 2 skeins. And I wanted to do a little quick peek. I brought it over here. So I'm actually knitting a baby blanket for a friend. Hopefully she's not watching this, I'm not sure. She might be too busy right now with her pregnancy and in her last stages. So each skein is 1 stripe, and currently I'm on the 3rd stripe, so last skein. So this baby blanket will be hopefully done in March. I'm only doing 3 skeins because it's a pretty big blanket already. And yeah, so that'll be 1 more skein from my stash that I will be using up. So that is everything. And then I wanted to do a quick little flip through. So I'm literally showing you the things from my desk because this is where I keep things. So my commonplace notebook, it's kind of in a fun place where I just stick things down. Sometimes it'll be really fun to use up stickers. So I'll just, if I don't know where to put them, especially these decorative things, I'll just stick them down on the page and then fill it out later. That's kind of what I've been doing this year. And then I'll add quotes or something with colorful pen. Like in this one, there was this really cute vinyl sticker. I didn't know what to use it for. And then a friend of mine sent me a red envelope with, not a red envelope, it was just what do you call it? It was a little New Year's Eve, Chinese New Year's, luck card. So you had to scratch, and then you would get a little fortune. And this one said, your ability to juggle many tasks will take you far. Let's hope. So anyway, so I stuck that in there, and then I got this sticker last year from another friend, or was it from a vendor? I can't remember. So I just thought these went well together. So yeah, just like sticking things in, sticky notes, more vinyl stickers. And you can kind of see that I've been sticking all sorts of things in here. Sometimes it'll be vinyl stickers, but sometimes it'll be like a little card that a friend sent me. And then one of the more interesting things I've stuck in here, this was actually a tissue holder. So it was a folding one, and I cut off half of it. The other half is actually in the back because I didn't want to throw it away. I just thought it was a really pretty pattern, and I didn't want to just throw it away. And it's a little pocket, obviously, so I'm gonna use it for another page. So in here, I just stuck in a little note that my friend sent me in her Happy Mail. And yeah, it's just like a cute little thing to put in your commonplace notebook and just like things to remember. So that's how I've been using a lot of stickers, and that's how I've used a lot of yarn. So, I mean, that's basically it for February. I'm also wearing really cute button earrings, completely unrelated to anything. I just thought they were cute and crafty. And I did get them in February, although I ordered them in December. So part of my no buy is also not buying new jewelry, but with the strike, the postal strike here in Canada, everything got delayed. So I ended up getting like new things later in the year. So there you have it. So I'm not buying anything. I'm just getting things really late this year. So yeah, that's kind of it. And then I wanted to show you the planner. So the Craftic planner, this is actually printed at a local shop, but there is a printable version of this in the Etsy shop. And just like a quick show, like the things that I've used up in February. So these trackers are getting filled up. Not as quickly as I thought, but you know, 2 skeins down in yarn and just 1 pen so far and only 1 notebook. No washi tapes this year. That's shocking. So that is it. And I did want to show you my current works in progress. So since the last time, I did add the baby blanket sticky note to my works in progress. So this is my currently project, and things are still in the queue. And then there's still the one in the backlog. Yeah, I've been sharing a lot of these things in the Craftic Discord. So if you want to join, it's actually a really fun place to hang out. It's been, as someone said, it's been popping lately because it's just like a lot of new people have been joining, a lot of like new energy. We've been sharing a lot of things. We're picking out a new book for our book club this week. And yeah, it's just been like really fun. And this is my March pages. This is how I use up stickers. Like I just stick things down in advance in my planner, and then I just like see what happens as the weeks progress. And like that's why I like to do very minimal decorating. And I'll do like a few weeks in advance. So like this one, I absolutely love. I have no idea what I'm gonna use all these boxes for, but I just really liked the way it turned out. And I never know what to use those boxes for, so I figured why not just use them all in 1 week and finish up the sheet. And then there's this one, so I used up more boxes in here. So this is the weekly view, and then this is the to-do view. And that is it. So yeah, that's how I ended up using those 3 sticker sheets that you saw in my little box of empties. And that is everything for me. I hope you enjoyed this. Are you doing a buy nothing this year? Are you doing a crafty no buy? Because I think it's been really cool because I've actually been making a dent with my supplies and just really getting to the projects that I keep meaning to make instead of starting new projects. And I have seen sales and, you know, promotions on emails and places, and I'm always like this close to buying something, and then I realize, well, I have like so many things that I haven't used why not just use them first before, you know, they just keep collecting dust. So like, why not just use the things I already have? So it's been a really, really good practice. And I don't know, like I might even continue doing it after the 100 days, to be honest. I just don't really see myself buying any craft supplies for a while. So yeah, let me know if you are doing a no-buy. I would love to hear about it. And if you want to start one today, you can. There's never, you know, it's never too late to start one. And you can use the link in the description down below to sign up for the newsletter and get that little freebie. You can see that I've been filling it up, and it's actually way past, like now it's on day 60, and I've already collected 2 rewards, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, and if you want to join the Discord, there'll be a link in the box below. And that is it for me. I'll stop rambling and shout out if you recognize this cartoon from the early 2000s. Anyway, that is it. So I will see you later. Bye.